So this right here is going to be spinning the camera around. You can see that, right?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Right, that left.
Mm-hmm.
This is up. You go up. As you go up, you can actually manipulate the camera. See, so I'm going to do this.
Mm-hmm.
See?
Yep.
And then I can go back up here. Spin around. I want to go back down on the camera. Right? This button right here.
Mm-hmm.
If I want to go right and left, this will take this one right here. This right and left will take me right. Not always right. So you might want to be sure that you got the right orientation.
Yeah.
Well, and this will take me backwards and forwards typically. See?
Yeah. Okay.
I can take it up at the same time. See how it's going up and over at the same time?
Yep.
Look how fucking far that thing is away.
Pretty cool.
So I'm gonna go down. So if I want to bring it back over here,
Tell me so how do you bring the camera? How do you point the camera down?
this thing. This
So
little
that's
rolling
left,
toggle.
right, and down.
No, it's only up and down on the camera.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Rolling
then
toggle.
That makes sense. You turn the.
Yeah. So I'm gonna bring it back over here. You can see that. And if I want to bring it, oh, sorry, that's bringing it up. My bad. That's not. That's bringing it back over here. And then this will bring it the other way. Sorry, this way. You can kind of manipulate both of these. Watch this. You can manipulate both of these at the same time. And you can also manipulate, like, say, for example, if I wanted to come down and go that way, I could do that.
Okay.
You see how it hits that? Or I can go down and go this way. Right? See how it's going down?
Yeah.
Or go up and do the same thing. See?
Cool.
So you can control more than one joystick at a time. Where the fuck is it? Oh, there it is.
It's up there.
So I'm actually, you see I'm doing it at 45, I'm taking it down and back twist at the same time, and now I'm just going down, bringing it straight down. And I'm gonna go down, back twist at the same time again.
It's pretty sweet.
There you go. Just watch the lines. Yeah, all right, get it away from the lines. Just go ahead and get it higher. Get it higher. Take it, oh, stop. Just take it way up where you can't screw up.
I must have done that too fast.
Yeah.
Let's see.
So, customer testimonial, really what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna ask that customer to tell me about their project. And they're gonna be watching it on the video screen here, right?
Yeah.
So you're no stranger to the camera. Tell me more about what you know about this project. Blah, blah, blah. Right? I'm on Facebook Live right now, and it's capturing all the audio live. But no big deal. Nobody watch those power lines over there? Yeah. And you know you can spin the camera around with this right here, right?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. You're gonna give me that power line, go over it, needless to say. Go way up. Up. You see? Yeah. You see here?
Is it gonna crash if this thing does?
Weak image signal. Nah. It'll tell you when it's got low battery. You don't have low battery yet. It's all good.
The iPad does. No issue there. Got that stuff about it.
5%. Yeah, I think we're okay. You want to bring it? Let me bring it down. Fred crashed when he was trying to land it. Let me see here.
Should be right above us.
There you go. So Fred got in a hurry. Let's say he crashed on the building over here.
Yeah. It should have a return to takeoff button too,
It
right?
does.
Yeah.
But you got to. I like to put it kind of over it. So I'm not going to get too excited when I get near the ground. I'm going to take it down
Nice and
incrementally.
slow, yeah. And I can really fuck with my dogs with one of these things.
Oh yeah, it does fuck with them. So we're gonna hit this.